another weekly vlog. First and foremost, today is Sunday, May the 12th. Happy Mother's Day to all of my mommy followers. We could go down a list of all the moms, moms that are trying to conceive, moms that have lost, those who don't have moms, dads who are playing a mom role. Listen, to the aunties who are playing a mom role, the grandmas, everybody who plays a mom role. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to me. Happy Mother's Day to everybody. Big up on yourself and continue the great work. If we're doing great work, continue the great work. Okay. So yeah, it is Sunday, April the 12th. Sunday, May the 12th. Bombard. Anyways, people, I just realized the last weekly vlog when we record, well, it was in March and then it ended up on Easter. So we're not too far behind. It's just one of us to do something them. So yeah, we're getting back into it. But I've been busy. There's just been a lot happening. I'm tired of using that as an excuse, but it's true. Like I said, like stuff when it's happening in life, like to me now, like I'm not like I was before, where I still could do other things and tread through. I have to deal with the life things first and then come back. You understand? Yeah. So stay with me. But anyways, I'm here. I'm picking up the camera. I'm vlogging this week. I have a Mother's Day event. Well, it's one of my close friends' mom's 70th birthday. So we're having a party for her, and it's also Mother's Day. So I guess they're tying that in as well. So I'm going to that later. I have something that I need to finish up for the event, and then my friend's gonna come pick up the stuff. And then I'm gonna go with another friend later on today. What else? I'm currently washing right now, and I'm just waiting for my machine to stop so I can put my clothes in my dryer and then head out to the store because I need to pick up some stuff for her mom's gift and come home and finish that. So I just wanted to say hi. I don't mind the room. It's under construction because I'm doing laundry, so everything is out of control. But yeah, we're gonna have to do a get ready with me. I think I know what I'm gonna wear, but just have to find one. Oh God, as I said that. So I just go find one dress in my closet. The dress have a spot another on. You can see it. Anyways, I gotta figure that out. Look on the front can see. But yeah, people them in the kitchen. I start dinner early and then something there. But yeah. So touch base and come back to one, okay? But I wanted to say hi. I know you guys missed me. I seen a subscriber yesterday, Rossley. Big up yourself. Yo, she run me down the road. Like, I was like, who the hell is calling me? But so happy that I met her because she has been a very supportive supporter. Always comments, always reaches out to me on social media. Always, like, someone know. When she said her name, I know her. The way that we will know who you guys are is if we constantly see your names pop up. So if you guys want to make yourself known that you guys are supporters, comment, like, subscribe, post, repost when we post. That's the best way that you guys can show your favorite creators love. When we post a picture, repost it, comment on it, share it. When we post a video, comment on it, like it, share it, subscribe to all of the things them on all angles, platform, all of them stuff. You get me? I say, yeah, that's all we can support our favorite creators, okay? Okay, so just wanted to say that. But anyways, again, as I said, people may not even wash my face yet. But me there, both to drink some tea and finish doing what I do and then go on the road. When I go on the road, I probably carry on with me. I'm not really too sure because there's not really much that I need to do on the road. I need to look for a Sharpie and I need to get some liquor. So,